What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Money Codes. Guys, the credit repair industry just got hit with another major blow. Remember about a year and a half ago, I told you that CFPB went after Lexington Law, the biggest player in the credit repair industry, and made them pay over $3 billion in fees because of how they were operating their business. Well, the CFPB is back at it again, and this time they're targeting Credit Repair Cloud and their CEO, Daniel Rosen. You don't want to miss this because if you're in the credit repair game, whether you're operating one or you're paying someone to do your credit repair, this is going to impact everything, right? So stay tuned and let's go into the details. So now let's break this down. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or the CFPB, has been on a mission to clean up the credit repair industry for years. You might remember a couple years back when they went after Lexington Law, hitting them with a massive $3.4 billion with a B, $3.4 billion fine for charging illegal fees. And it looks like they're not done yet, which I told you guys what happened. Their latest target is Credit Repair Cloud and their CEO, Daniel Rosen. The CFPB claims that Credit Repair Cloud was helping companies charge consumers illegal upfront fees, something that's strictly prohibited under the telemarketing sales rule, otherwise known as the TSR. So now let's talk about the TSR for a minute. The telemarketing sales rule, or the TSR, was created to protect consumers from deceptive and abusive practices in telemarketing. It basically says that if a company is offering a service over the phone, like credit repair companies, they cannot charge you until they actually deliver the results that they promised. The reason this rule exists is to prevent companies from taking your money and having you pay every single month, and then failing to deliver on their promises. Again, I got to remind you guys about the Lexington Law video that I showed you. This was about a year and a half ago, where people were paying 2+ years of paying every single month and nothing was coming off their credit, right? So if you pay thousands of dollars to a credit repair company and they don't hold up the end of their bargain, now what is the consumer supposed to do? This is the whole purpose of the TSR rule, and this is why they're going after Lexington Law and Credit Repair Cloud. So when the CFPB went after Lexington Law and now Credit Repair Cloud, it's because they were allegedly charging people before actually improving their credit, which is in violation of that TSR that I just told you about. Guys, let me know down in the comments if you've been in a situation like this before, where you've been paying a credit repair company several months, if not years, and nothing has fallen off of your credit profile. Now, Credit Repair Cloud isn't a small-time operation. This is a platform that a lot of credit repair businesses rely on to manage disputes, track progress, handle billing. This is like an all-in-one software that credit repair companies use to manage their business. But here's the kicker. The CFPB says that providing these tools, Credit Repair Cloud, was enabling companies to break the law. Daniel Rosen, the CEO, was supposedly in the middle of it and training companies how to collect those illegal fees. So that's why he's in trouble. So now let's throw it back to Lexington Law for a second. When the CFPB went after them, it was a huge deal. They were accused of the same type of practices, charging people before they actually delivered on their promises. And this is the case against Credit Repair Cloud, which is why it sounds so similar, right? This is not deja vu. It's very similar. And as I said to you guys about 2 years ago, it's going to keep happening. So the CFPB is sending a clear message. They're coming for anyone who's not playing by the rules. Doesn't matter if you are a huge conglomerate like Lexington Law or Credit Repair Cloud. Doesn't matter how big or small you are in the industry. The CFPB is clearly trying to send a message to the credit repair industry. Okay, so what does that mean for you? Whether you're running a credit repair company or you're thinking about using one, there's a clear message here. Make sure everything is above board. If you're a business owner, double check your practices. Ensure that you're following the TSR and other relevant regulations. And make sure that you consult with a legal expert if needed. Neither myself or anybody on YouTube, for that matter, that I know of, is an attorney. Make sure you're playing by the rules because they will catch up to you. You can see, I'm put on the screen how much these credit repair companies are paying in fees trying to battle the CFPB. This is not cheap. And for those considering credit repair as a service, be sure to vet the company thoroughly. Look at their practices, ask the right questions, and make sure they're not charging you in ways that could get them or you in trouble. This is not about bashing credit repair companies. It's about making sure everyone, businesses and consumers alike, are protected and doing things the right way. And remember, if the big guys like Credit Repair Cloud and Lexington Law are feeling the heat and paying millions, if not billions in fees, that should let you know how to proceed with caution. Make sure you're protected by staying informed and compliant. And last but not least, guys, before you go, do not forget to join the MoneyCodez Insider community, network with like-minded individuals, and get exclusive content like the webinar that we're dropping on the 25th on how to fight back against the debt collection companies. The only way you're going to get access to this is by joining the MoneyCodez Insider community. Make sure you're inside because you're not going to want to miss what we have ready for you guys on the 25th of this month. This will not be on YouTube. This is going to be exclusively in the members area, and it's absolutely free to join. The link is going to be down below, so make sure to go ahead and join. Give me your comments. Have you been in a situation like this, paying a credit repair company, and they've kind of been dragging you along? And aside from that, I'm going to check you guys out in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.